Welcome to Computer Systems. In this video of our Computer Systems series, we will install Arduino on my computer. We will look over the Arduino code to blink an LED, and we will blink an LED using an Arduino. Now we're going to go out to arduino.cc, click on Software Downloads, and we're going to download the Arduino IDE. You can contribute if you feel like. I'm going to just download. When you install, you have to give permission for the license, and then hit next to install. That's going to take a minute. When it's done, hit close. You might have additional drivers that it wants you to download to. When you first start your Arduino program, it'll look like this. Go ahead and write the code from the lab in here. And type in your code, hit the check mark to verify, and it will ask you where you want to save it. You can call this lab 1. Now it is done compiling. All right, so at this point we have our Arduino connected. We're going to go ahead and look at the Arduino code. In the Arduino code, there are 3 constants. P is 13, seems to be related to the pin number that we connected our Arduino to the breadboard. A and B are both 1000. A and B are both valued at 1000 and are used with the command delay. So every piece of Arduino code has a setup function and a loop function. Setup happens once, the loop function happens over and over again. So when it digitally writes to pin 13 high, we're sending a power signal through. And when there's a digital write to pin 13 that is low, we're sending through connection to ground or no connection. So when we turn this breadboard on and we turn on switch 1, we should see that switch 2 is being proxied through the Arduino, and there is a blinking light. So at this point, we have unplugged the Arduino from the laptop. We're going to set it up so that it can use the power and the ground that is associated with the breadboard itself. So at this point, we switched the ground wire over to the other side of the board. Last, we're going to hook up a connection to power. So the power that we're going to use on this is the 5-volt that is directly next to those 2 ground pins on the other side of the board. And you can plug it into any power on the breadboard itself. So now when we turn this back on, you can see that it is being powered directly from the breadboard itself. When we turn switch 1 off, we're not seeing the LED blink at all. When we turn it back on, the Arduino is causing the LED to blink.